Alright, well, I'm sure you guys can see the power line there. That's the main feed coming from the hole onto the house. Hold on a second. Wait a minute here. Wait a minute. No, the bottom one is the cable. The top one is the power. So that power is coming right up there, and it's got all them things wrapped around it. Now, ask yourself, how do you get that down? The power company had said 2 months ago, they sent me a letter, maybe 3 months ago, I think it was in April, said it'd be here between May and June to cut that, get that away from the line, of which that's what I've been waiting on. It's because I don't like electricity, I don't like dealing with it, I'm kind of afraid I'm going to get shocked. But they sent me a letter last week saying they were done in the area and they wouldn't check this area again for another 3 or 4 years. Alright, your forestry division didn't cut away from the power line like you guys said you were going to. So, how am I going to handle this? Well, that electric line is supposed to have insulation around it, or insulating material around it, so you're not supposed to get zappity zap 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 if you accidentally touch it. That said, it is in the sun, so it has gotten sun damage over the years, of which could cause cracks and things to fall off. Right? I mean, they crack apart and then they fall apart. You know, that's what happens. So I don't want to go up there and pull. I don't want to grab a hold of this and pull things down off of it, because that would be bad, or at least could be bad, potentially. I have cut things away a little bit from time to time, smaller pieces as I thought I could. I think it's time to take care of it once and for all. Now, you do this, you're taking your life into your own hands, because if there's damage up there, you're liable to get shocked. Looks like I only have 2 that are going directly up to it. I don't think the trimmer's big enough to cut the one. The rest of this over here, I can pull all that away. I got the shelves out of here, or the shelves out of here, so that way I can get this all trimmed down nice and neat. Now look at it, and there's 2. Looks like just 2 that are going up there. So here's what we're going to do. So right here are my 2 bad guys. They're all both off the same shoot, but I know my trimmer's not going to cut through down there. My trimmer might cut in through up here, and maybe a little bit up there. Not real sure. And I just hope I don't get zapped. Okay, I got those 2 pulled away. Now I can safely cut these off down here and wait for that up there to die off. And then once it dies off, well, that means it dries out and then it'll break. And the next time we have a wind, it'll come falling down. Problem solved.